Choo choo.
All right. I've got 3 spears now, so I'm golden like a shower.
Golden like a shower.
Oh, we got somebody up
shots
here.
close,
Danger
yep.
in blue, danger in blue.
Setting rally point.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Vehicle, the SUV, that four-wheeler just stopped right there. Yep. In this building. He's right there, that window. I cracked him.
I cracked him pretty good. But do you guys agree we should probably get off at that car?
Yep.
Yes.
I'll take the wheel.
Nice. Which buy?
Holy fuck.
Yeah. That would have pissed me off.
There's a buy right here if you guys want to jump to this buy.
Yeah,
real quick
let's
and
do
from
it.
There. Where are we headed to?
Yes, I'm driving.
So we're gonna dive. Let's get up to the edge.
North or where are you thinking?
Center circle.
Alright,
Alright,
get
approach.
on top of that hill.
Approach more from like that direction.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Below us, right?
I only see
here.
one.
Care package.
Looks like it's just one. You guys want to get ghost?
Yep.
Come on. Yes, it's perfect.
Relocating the safe
Wait, you
zone.
didn't already have ghost?
Oh, Gary, on top of you, Jumpy. 2 of them. On the loadout.
Team wipe.
So I will look to the east, so I'm going to look towards this hill.
I
Okay.
guess I'm looking mostly west.
How was your poop this morning, Guster?
That's glorious.
How was your
I had a bad
seafood?
food this morning.
No, that sucks.
Have we gotten any kills yet? I got 1 kill.
Nope.
We're doing really great, guys. I will pop that UAV. Let's pop that UAV, see what we see.
Friendly
Poppin'.
UAV
Oh,
overhead.
Ooh.
Purple.
Yep. Getting closer
Blue.
too.
Mark out. Going in.
Alright, you 3
Yeah, I see him.
I got
Hold
it.
on. Yeah. Cracked him.
You
Open
mark
fire, open fire.
He ran
On the
away.
purple.
Should we push in? What do you think?
No, we hold position.
Move on my
Oh,
way.
I see one. I see 2.
Mark. They're on the blue.
I did mark them. No, they're live mark.
The live mark just came through.
There's one on the left, too.
Hostile patrol.
2 on the left.
Hostile spotted. Hostile spotted.
They're locked in on me pretty tight. I downed one of them.
Oh shit, that one's pretty close
Still,
here.
we don't have to do too much for now. Don't concentrate on
They're
trying to
fighting
get
another
kills.
team.
One's dead. Downed another one.
There's
I'm
a
gonna
whole nother
I'm
team.
gonna precision over
Oh,
there.
I got one behind us over here.
Guards locked down.
He's
Area's
on me.
clear.
All right, guys, he's gonna be danger close.
Destination
New
marked.
safe zone.
You got him, Jumpy? I'm coming.
Drop inbound.
Yep, one's dead.
Coordinates.
Yep, I see him now.
I downed
On
one.
the left.
Downed one in the back. There's one closer up here. Oh, 4 teams, guys. 4 teams.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Setting rally point.
Yep, there's a baddie right there.
Gas is closing in. Hostile.
Damn it, just missed him.
I'm holding our tail. Let me know if I need to concentrate on
down.
something
He's
other.
down.
Grenade out.
Oh shit, he's danger close to me. I'm down. He's down in that valley.
Team white.
Alright, for me, opposite side of the circle.
Oh fuck! I got down.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe
Destination
zone.
marked.
Can you
hit
get
me,
him?
Then go. Hit me, then go.
Are you shitting me?
Making contact.
You mean?
I cracked 2 of them. I'm having a tough go. I have no plates
Guys, come
left.
to me. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
Spears right here. Plates.
I got downed again. I'm in cover
Where were you from?
from where straight ahead where I'm looking.
Alright,
You're,
getting
it's a
healed.
hillside
Oh.
that they can't run up. They can't run up that way, so you're
Oh.
okay for now.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Fuck.
Gas is moving.
Safe zone's far off. Let's get moving.
2 teams, 5 left. So is
Gotta
it
be down
one
below,
person?
right?
Yeah, he's coughing.
That's me. No, he's right behind us
Flash.
to our left.
That's a win. Proper
Let's
job.
go, boys.
Fuck.
Hey.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't think I had a single kill.
That was my only one.
Oh, make sure you snap it. I hope this is recorded for the information.
It is recorded.
Nice.
Nice work.
Yay, Ward.
Good win, boys. Solid tactical ops. Well done, Gessler.
Well, you guys
Well,
carried me in the kill department. I don't think I had a single one.
It's not the number of kills. I think I had one at most. I was scrambling to get one.
You guys backed out before I could see the summary of my snap. you
Yeah,
fucks.
you can blame Stoy for that.
We had 4 kills.
Can you still look at it?